Hey folks, Adam here, and I cannot wait to tell you about this. It is a 4-camera security system recording in tremendous 4K, and this is absolutely beautiful. Now it does have solar panels for each of the cameras, a centralized hub, LED lights, IR, night vision, 360 pan and zoom. It will track somebody from camera to camera. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Now the first thing that I love is it's easy to set up. You essentially click that hub into your Wi-Fi network. We have that all the way in my utility room. It sets up its own network that is specific for these cameras. So as soon as you turn on these cameras, it connects. I love that. Just install the app and literally turn them on and it starts working. Now the solar panels make it very easy to where you never have to worry about not having battery. Yeah, I like that too. The fact that you can work even if the power is out, it will record, and it will record to the SD card on that central hub that comes pre-installed, where you never have to mess with it. No formatting a card, it's just automatically recording that high quality footage. Now you can see the LED lights on the front are absolutely beautiful. The IR is impressive, and that lens is like none I've seen before. Now you can control this to pan, tilt, and zoom just about anywhere, and even get panoramic shots of your security locations. Now we have all 4 of these installed across our property to make sure that we've got great coverage no matter who's around and why. Now the app is very nice. One of the things I like about the app is that you can easily set it to away mode, home mode, turn it off at a push of a button. It will register right here on your phone, and you can look at it. You can scroll from camera to camera, you can track a person, and you can have 2-way audio to where you can talk with a person. It has 3K night vision, 5G and 2.4G router compatible, and I absolutely love this 4-camera system that allows you to work with no subscription. Yeah, just automatically working, no hidden FEES, and it's a great brand. A brand that I've grown to love and I truly trust. They're encrypting your data while it's being transferred, so you never have to worry about it. And you even get those notifications of human movement on your phone. And right now I can tell that Amy is in the kitchen and she is opening up the mail. That's really cool. And I can go ahead and I can control, I can speak to her, I can record, lots of fun stuff, and you can even take beautiful screenshots at a push of a button. So really fantastic stuff that I can control this from just about anywhere. So it's got that 5-megapixel beautiful vision, 3K at night, and it is giving you crystal clear, colorful images with a great lens right here. I do like that. Then of course, the no monthly FEE with the Homebase recording straight to the SD card. I'm a big fan of that as well. And of course, 360 view tracking, solar panel security, and long range stable Wi-Fi coverage. You can turn on and off the notifications. You can control it remotely from anywhere in the world as long as you have a Wi-Fi network. So that's really a fantastic device, easy to mount, easy to set up, and I like that the solar panel is kind of built in here with the camera, so you're not doing twice as much mounting and setup here. And folks, just so you can see it, we do have the hub. It is just wired into my network, and then the power cord, and that was it. It's really that simple to set up, and we just have this tucked away in our utility room where no one will see it. So yeah, it's really impressive that this will do 4 different cameras at the same time, so you can get great footage across the board. It will you can do camera tracking from cameras 1 to camera 4, tracking 1 person in 4 different videos wherever your cameras are installed. It's got day and night vision, color day, and incredible night vision. You can turn on the IR, or the IR comes on automatically, or the LED lights. It's got that really efficient solar panel for sun charging, 6 times zoom, so you can see things crystal clear. I love that. The app really works well, and of course the memory card is encrypted, so even if it's stolen, it can't be read by other people, and I like that. So, two-way audio, the siren, the alerts, and I love the fact that this thing is so easy to install any place you need it. Of course, the light and siren you can control. It can even come on automatically. I do like that. And that's going to be enough to get somebody to leave your property. And you can see right here, very easy to understand the pan, tilt, the zoom, everything there. It's just a push of a button and you can move the camera around. So very straightforward. I really like this. If you want to record, you push the record button. You want to screenshot, you push the screenshot button. And if you want to speak, you just press the speak button. Hey Watson, can you hear me okay?
Sure can, Adam. Can hear you loud and clear.
And that's just an example of the two-way audio. It does a great job allowing me to communicate, even with somebody who's off this local network, far, far away. If I have it installed on the phone, I can go ahead and communicate with them securely and safely. So yeah, folks, very cool. You can see that they're all online. Got the Homebase and my 4 cameras, easy to access. Now, I don't necessarily want to give away the exact location of each of my cameras, just for my own safety, but you can see we have one looking out over the backyard, very easy to use. We can click and generate that panoramic view, very straightforward, very cool. We can control the position by pressing the buttons here again. I've told you about the screenshotting, everything associated with it, and this is a really, really cool device. It'll even tell me different movements and things that have happened. Now we have the user section, family management, see who is tied into it, etc. Support, all the settings there. You can go to the store and pick up what you need, and I do like this. It's the security data. Says someone moved it, because I was just setting these up, so that's nice, and it tells you when somebody moves your camera. AI detection of people, and then it'll say what's happened today. Well, 14 times somebody has panned and tilted the camera, etc., etc. Just gives you all the information you need. You can go ahead and change the mode from home, away, or disarm. Very nice there. And I know I'm just kind of giving you a quick idea of these, but it is really straightforward. We're going to go to that same camera right now. If we want to record it, we can. And you know what? This gives you an incredible ability to zoom in. I can see the chair across my yard. I can look at the hummingbird feeder if I want to. And this is really cool. We're talking currently 4x zoom, and we can zoom back out and we can move around. Even tells you that it's currently at 133 kilobytes per second when I started saying that. We can look at the different events, things that have happened for the day. If there's any events, any activity, it will let us know. So really, really fantastic stuff. A straightforward app that's easy to use. I really do like that. All right, folks, one other thing I do want to point out is it creates this panoramic image below. I didn't realize this at first. And then if you click on a spot on the panoramic image, it will take you to that spot right there. And I'm standing right there. We have a lower camera here to keep an eye on our packages. But I think it's pretty cool that at a push of a button, it automatically goes to the spot in the panoramic image for you. All right, folks, so when your security really matters, guess what? Getting a good security camera entire system with a powerful hub is important. I love the fact that I didn't have to have somebody install this for me. It's way easier than those security systems of the past. Back in the day, you were running wires up across your attic for half a day with an entire team of people. And now it's something you can literally do in a matter of minutes. And I love the solar panel. Those big batteries in these means that you never have to worry about the charge, you never have to worry about the system not working, you never have to worry about a power outage, and it's automatically recording to that SD card in your hub. Folks, I love it, and I think you're going to love it too. I know we can't show you every aspect of this system, but boy, there's so many cool things. So go check it out, pick one up, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.